Time is the worst possible excuse. It's just an excuse that people have got to drop. But when people say they haven't got time, they're really not thinking it through, because everyone does.
Society tells us that by the age of 21 we should have a degree and have a job that we want to do for the rest of our lives. And by the age of 28 we should have a mortgage and be married with a kid on the way. It's all bollocks. There is no right or wrong order to do these things. Most of the people I knew that went to uni don't even do a job remotely related to what they studied. I had 16 jobs before I found something that I loved to do, and I was okay with that. You will find something that you love if you keep looking.
People, they're trying to get it there quicker and do it easier. They're looking for an elevator to take them to the top. That's what they're doing. Because they see it as one big staircase. They see this one big thing, it's just one big obstacle. What you have to do, the secret, is to stop looking at it that way. Put your head down and just look at the first step. You don't look at the top, you don't focus on it, you know it's there. All you do now is you focus on the second step, and the third, and the fourth, and the fifth, and then before you know it, you're at the top.
I made a conscious decision that I was going to change. I wasn't going to let where I come from, who people think I should be, determine who I'm actually going to be when I get older. I made a choice and I said, nah, I'm not going to be this person. I'm going to change for the sake of my kid, for the sake of my family. I'm going to make a change right now, and that's exactly what I did. I never went back. Change the way you think. If you say without a shadow of a doubt that that's it, I'm done, I'm going to change because I have to, you'll transform the rest of your life. When that clock strikes 12, you'll make the change and stick to it. Every time you even dared to dream your life could be better, you were shot down or laughed at, made to feel like an idiot for even thinking you could be more. Don't listen to all that just believe that you can. The first thing you've got to do to get what you want is believe that you can. Believe it's possible for you to have it. Focus on all the good that will happen when you get what you want, not all the you've got to go through to get there. Follow your dreams. Believe that you can do it and work hard to get it, and it's yours. I would never worry, because I believe with everything in me that I could change it. What's your excuse today? You want to take a look at other people and what they got and get jealous? Wake your ass up. It's time to stop making your excuses. Anything worth having is hard to get. Nothing in this world is free, but it's going to be hard work. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Listen, if you want more motivational fire coming to you every single week, then subscribe to my channel right here. If you don't know why you should subscribe yet and you need a little bit more convincing, watch my next video right here. Thanks for watching.